we're accessing the buckets. Is it possible to create a bucket from here? This must be right. Everything from the console, whatever we can do here with this clicks, event based handling. Here we can do everything, whatever we do with clicks directly on the console, everything that we can do from programming, everything that we can do from this programming from Boto 3. I would like to create a bucket. All two buckets are there. I would like to create a bucket. How do I do that? It's very simple. It's very, very simple. Creating a bucket. So what is that we have to use? Client, right? So use S3 client dot create bucket. You can see something called as S3 client dot create bucket. Bucket name I call it as new bucket. Boto 3 bucket. Okay. And if I run this now, and after this I create this bucket. I paste it here. Okay, so after this now we should have three buckets, right? One is some three buckets are there. We are able to see only two buckets. One more bucket has to be created and it has to display those three buckets. Okay, let's do that. Bucket name, some issue there, just forgot the syntax actually. If you want to access uh, the files in a bucket, what are the files present in a bucket? Accessing the bucket. Okay, remember guys, whatever we have here, we have buckets, and whatever the buckets we have here, and whatever we have in that bucket, whether the directories or files or anything, these are going to be called as the keys. A key is a path. I'm telling you, a key is a path. So here we have one file called as world bank, this one. Okay, the key, we call this as the key, not as a file or anything. That means you can see here, can you see here, the word is mentioned as key here, not a file here. If there is a file or a directory in S3, we ask that, or we say that what is the key of it. That means the path of it or the identity of it. Our identity of a file or directory will be called as a key. Remember that. How we have to list the keys of a bucket. Okay, how we list the keys of a bucket. That's our question has to be. So what we do is here. Let me just see how do we write it. Mm, Object. First we need to access it bucket.all. Yeah, bucket equal resource dot bucket. Now I would like to first read the bucket name. I would like to read a bucket. Read bucket equal to the client name is S3 client dot bucket of, tell the name of the bucket, where uh, the data of which bucket you are trying to access. Okay, this is the one, and from this bucket we are trying to read the files or the content present in that bucket. How we are going to do that is very simple. For or you can write here uh, bucket list. I write like this: list equal to read bucket dot objects dot all. Yeah, let me just comment this for a while. What happened? Let's just see. S3 object has no attribute buckets. S3 object has no attribute buckets. S3 object resource. It is listing. What is that is saying? Read buckets. Sorry, read bucket spelling. No, something wrong again. 1 second. S3 dot service resource object has no attribute bucket. So I think this is the capital letter. I think, yeah, this is a capital letter bucket. Then what happened? Has no attribute objects. Yeah, objects dot all. Now we can write like this: for objects in bucket list, print dot name. S3 object name. Okay, let me directly print object. Yeah, you can see here. These are the first we are printing the buckets here, the two buckets plus that we have in S3, and from this, with this, what we are trying to do is we are trying to print the files that are present in the bucket. Okay, so this is a bucket name, and this is the file of it. You can see here worldbank.json.txt and xxx. These are the two files that we have in the bucket. PySpark input, and in this we have worldbank.json and xxx. Okay, this is how we can do that, guys. It's very simple. And if you want to have directly the bucket name instead of this, what is that we can use? Bucket dot object dot bucket name, not bucket name. I think key. Okay, let me just see. I think it is going to display the bucket file names. Yeah, perfect now. So these are the file names of the bucket, these two files, and these are the two buckets that we have in it. Okay, accessing bucket and files. Files of a bucket, both. Okay, so creation of a bucket, some issue is there. I will check out what is the syntax with it. Then this has to work, but it is accessing, it is asking for the location to be entered. That is the issue. We'll see that. And this is accessing the buckets, and this is accessing bucket list, and where is the keys in that. Okay, so likewise, reading, writing, deleting, changing the permissions, everything we can do. Whatever we can do with the console, all these operations we can do from this here, guys. Just we can check out all the operations, all the functions. We can simply understand all this. Okay.